Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative, and today I'm just working on building myself a traveler's notebook journal that's dot grid, and I would like to take the opportunity right now to invite you to subscribe and ring the bell so that you could see my work in this journal. I'm hoping that I give you lots of great inspiration and, a quiet time of relaxation that you can enjoy. So basically what I've done is I've trimmed up the paper and folded them. I scored, this is the cover that I chose. I am trimming it to the proper size. And right here, I'm using a bone folder to just tighten up my signature, make sure all the pages are folded nicely, and then putting them into the cover. Using some paper clips and a guide, I put holes where I needed to push this all through for sewing up my signature. Now, obviously, I recommend that you are very, very careful and deliberate when you are using an awl to punch in holes. If you have child hands, I recommend you find some adult hands to help you. This is mostly recommended for adult people to do. These are very sharp items that I use to create this. So I just measured out the wax thread and sewed up the spine, and I'm tying it up here and trimming it off. So as we can see, the pages jut out past the cover of the journal, and I'm using a metal ruler and making sure that my finger and thumb are very, very far away from the edge, using a fresh blade so that it's very sharp, and I took my time. I was cutting between 1 and 2 pages at a time just to make sure that nothing slipped or anything like that, that I was safe. Just rolling back and locking up that blade because it is extremely sharp. And taking off those bullnose clips. I don't plan on having super long videos showing what I do in this journal. So hopefully you can find the time to meet with me and see what I'm up to. And I thank you so much for your time today. This is actually how I make the journals for my shop. They're all handmade, made with love. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.